PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hello, this is James Spann. You've clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday afternoon, the 19th day of May, just like summertime out today. Let's go to some Skycam shots this afternoon. And why not start with a camera down at Gulf Shores? A lot of folks will be headed that way in coming days with school letting out. The Memorial Day weekend ahead looks like a big crowd down there already. We're looking off to the east from the top of the Phoenix All Suites. Off in the distance there, you can see the pier as being rebuilt. That's the old state pier that was destroyed by Hurricane Ivan 4 years ago, back in 2004. From Decatur, that's the Tennessee River. Bright sunny day up in Morgan County there. And how about the mountains of northeast Alabama? What a diverse state we live in. That's the view from Mount Cheahaw, Alabama's highest peak, just south of Anniston. The elevation up there just a tad over 2,400 feet. Here's our water vapor satellite imagery this afternoon, and as you can see, we've got a vortex over the northeastern states and a northwest flow aloft here. Looks like a little ripple in the flow producing some convection over parts of Indiana and Illinois, but around here we are clear and warm. 80s statewide as of early afternoon. Actually, these are taken at noon today. Looks like even some 90s out there in Texas, and we will stay warm for the foreseeable future. Probably next time we get a good, strong cold front might be this fall. We'll see. In terms of the convective outlook, really just one risk area to show you, and this is for tomorrow. There is a slight risk from near Demopolis, Montgomery, Birmingham, and then back off to the east. That would include Atlanta and Columbia, Charleston, and Wilmington. And that's for a disturbance riding down that trough in the northwest flow aloft. And the main concern would be maybe some storms with hail or gusty winds tomorrow afternoon, but not a widespread rain. In fact, look at the QPF graphic. It's really got a minimum of rain over the north central part of Alabama. In fact, that's suggesting just less than 1/10 of an inch for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden. Heavier totals on the coast, but don't panic if you've got a beach trip planned. We don't think the rain will be a washout kind of thing. But having said that, you'll have to dodge a few showers around, but that's just the way it works on the Gulf Coast, as we all know. Here's the 12Z GFS. This is valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow. Still got the trough over the east. And down at the surface, that weak front extends from a surface low near Chesapeake Bay down through the Tennessee Valley. And again, as that eases through here, that could set off a few scattered storms, but I don't know if we're going to see that many. Many of you will probably be dry, but having said that, where the storms do form, they could be strong. Wednesday, that surface front moves on down to the southern quarter of the state. We are dry on Wednesday, maybe a little cooler, maybe highs in the low 80s instead of mid-80s, and it looks like any scattered showers and storms will be over the southern quarter of the state, but again, not a washout. Thursday, getting a block going on here. It's a big upper-level low that's over Las Vegas, ridge over the midsection, and a big vortex over eastern Canada. And it's like a big traffic jam in the upper air. That's not going to change much. At the surface, we've got moisture trapped underneath the ridge, and that looks like kind of a warm and muggy day with a chance of scattered, mainly afternoon showers and storms. You'll hear that a lot in coming months. And Friday, really the same deal. The rain should not be widespread because of ridging aloft, but there could be a few scattered showers and storms around. So that'll be in our forecast for the end of the week. Saturday, starting off the weekend, extremely high amplitude pattern. We've got kind of a northerly flow aloft here. We're just to the east of the ridge axis, and we'll have to watch for any kind of disturbance that might try and come down the flow, but this is suggesting Saturday would be dry here. Any scattered showers and storms way down south, and again, even down there, it's not going to be an all-day affair. Sunday looks dry statewide. Should be a mostly sunny and warm day, and Monday of next week, Memorial Day, looks dry. So the Memorial Day weekend looks pretty good. All across the Deep South, looks like any scattered showers might be Saturday at the beginning of the weekend, and again, even that's not probably a big deal. We'll go trolling, let's see, the next day. This is Tuesday, the 27th. Westerlies are up north. Accordingly, the organized rain is up north. Go up there to June the 2nd. Wanted to show you this. You know, the GFS has tried to develop a tropical system in the Gulf. Well, on this run, it moves it up through the Atlantic, parallels the east coast of the United States. It's still there, just in a different position. And then at the end of the cycle on the 4th, kind of a trough trying to come through here, and that would suggest the weather could be showery, but that's, as we all know, pure voodoo at this point. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.